Hi kids, today we are going to learn about parts of the body. Let's start. Face. This is face. Eyes. These are eyes. Nose. This is nose. Mouth. This is mouth. Lips. These are lips. Teeth. These are teeth. Tongue. This is tongue. Chin. This is chin. Head. This is head. Eyebrows. These are eyebrows. Ear. This is ear. Neck. This is neck. Shoulder. This is shoulder. Arm. This is arm. Hand. This is hand. Finger. This is finger. Nail. This is nail. Leg. This is leg. Thing. This is thing. Knee. This is knee. Foot. This is foot. Toe. This is toe. Stomach. This is stomach. Thank you for watching Ilam Thalir. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.